ay gagala na. Tapos na tayo magsimba. Tara, gala tayo guys. Punta tayo ng Santon. Maganda na ang panahon ngayon. Pero may cloudy pa. Malapit nang mag-winter.
Come on, go. I'm waiting for you.
Go.
Yeah, this person
It's
is
broken down.
No, he's sitting there, he's just looking at me. It's his turn to go. He's there before me.
Ano ang view ng South Africa? Yan si KFC. Galing sa Randburg, punta tayo ng Santon City. Mainit ngayon, pero doon, no? Makapal ang clouds. Checkpoint dito. Ayan. Ang daming mga police car. Ayan. Ang daming na-stop.
Well, I got no traffic fines or anything.
Ayan.
I pay them all when I get them. I got this car the one day, 125 rand. They said I was driving there in Randburg and I went a little bit too fast.
So you paid online?
I paid 125 rand. I was upset, but what can I do? They said I was doing 71 kilometers and it's supposed to be 60. So I must pay 125 rand. So I pay it. That's why I don't, I don't want to get stopped and you got a fine for 125 rand. didn't want to go. He stopped, and then the guy's looking at him like, and then why you stop?
Small car?
Yeah, there's a mini behind us. He stopped. And the guy's like, what did you do that you stopped? Why are you stopping? And then the traffic cop is looking at you. The traffic policeman's going like, and they didn't look. They didn't check if they got traffic fine, and they go like, I'm sure I got traffic fine. 2 years ago we were on the highway somewhere and I was driving too fast, but they got no picture. They can't give me a picture, so obviously I'm starting to think that I've been cheated.
Look, this car. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Ayan, ang jet plane. Nakapatong.
Blocking these moments.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa Santon. Ayan guys, nakita niyo yung building na yan. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal. Sunday. Ito na yung malalaking building. Nakikita.
Oh,
Go, go. Dito tayo sa aming favorite spot. Dito lagi pag Sunday. Ayan. Ayan na, pasok na tayo sa parking. Ay nako, nakapila. Baka nasira na naman yung gate dyan. Pagpasok, ayan.
only one.
Kaya pala, mapila. That they have 3 entrance. Only 1 entrance working. You see? Broken. Oops. Oops. Umingit pa tong motor. Ayan. Hanap tayo ng parking lot. Skew. Maybe going up. Level 6. Always. Dito madaming bakante. Doon puno, pero akyat pa kami sa taas. Sa may entrance. Dito na tayo sa level 6. Wala masyadong sasakyan. Kaya dito Do.
No, I'm not going to park
Okay.
next to this.
Dito na tayo sa mall. Dito na tayo sa mall, guys. Pasyal-pasyal na tayo dito.